Having done 2 other whale watching tours in the days prior to doing a whale watch with Tahiti by boat, I can say with 100% certainty that you'll have the best experience here. Naya the captain and Israel the water guide have incredible synergy with one another. They do a great job explaining expectations and executing on that. We had a once-in-a-lifetime type of experience with a mother whale and her calf, one that neither of the other 2 companies could create. I get it. It's up to the whales how the excursion will go. And yet, they still do a phenomenal job of creating the best experience possible. No other company asks its guests to focus more on their own mood and vibrations in an effort to entice the whales to come play, than Tahiti by boat. We can't speak highly enough about Naya and Israel's performance and will definitely be booking with them only next season we're in Tahiti. With nature, there's never a guarantee, and we went at the end of the whale season. I was prepared to not see whales. The first thing was a great dolphin show. The weather was great and our crew of 2 worked hard to find whales despite a passing boat saying they did not see any. They gave an interesting explanation about how the whales travel, how to search for them, how to respectfully approach them. Very interesting. We actually ended up seeing a mama, a calf and a male. It wasn't in a good situation to jump in the water. Even though I've been on a fantastic whale sighting boat before, where the whales were even closer, I preferred this sighting. We later had a fresh fruit snack with drinks. We also enjoyed the snorkeling time. Besides the 2-man crew, there were 8 passengers. All, except one who I didn't ask, really enjoyed this experience. Thank you to Remy and Ismael for allowing us to experience an unforgettable whale watching adventure. Everything is done with expertise and respect for the animals. Encountering whales isn't guaranteed, but when they appear, it's simply magical. They are passionate about these cetaceans and shared their knowledge with us. Safety was paramount, and entering the water only occurs when conditions are ideal. Respect for the animals is evident, and this is reflected in their commitment to ensuring viewing conditions that respect both the whales and the regulations in place. We experienced an unforgettable moment filled with peace and respect in the presence of this whale and her calf, who honored us by allowing us to observe them. The stars in our eyes after this excursion will not soon fade. There is nothing bad to say about this excursion. The boat picked us up on time and the captain Moana and crew member Israel were very friendly and knowledgeable. We saw spinner dolphins in the lagoon before heading out to the ocean to find the humpback whales. Once located, and it was safe to go in the water, we did and made our way towards them, with Israel at the front. The experience of being that close to humpback whales and their baby was amazing. We spent around 45 minutes in the water, but could have been more. We then returned to the boat for a drink before heading to a sandbank to do some snorkeling, have some fruit and more drinks. We then were dropped off where we were picked up. Highly recommended excursion. We had the most incredible day out on the water. From start to finish, the experience was unforgettable. We were lucky enough to swim alongside a whale, respectfully and learning about their behavior in the water. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. We also saw heaps of dolphins putting on a show around the boat. The crew made it even better at the end by finding the best spots to swim with turtles. On top of all that great music playing the whole way. Huge thanks to Sham for being such a knowledgeable, funny and respectful guide.